decimal expansions of rational numbers. I'm taking some decimal expansions of rational numbers, and then we discuss converting into P by Q forms. Converting into P by Q forms. Now let us take some examples. This is very important concept. We have more problems in this method. Writing Q by P by Q forms. How to write the numbers decimal expansion into P by Q forms. P by Q form. Learn it carefully. P by Q forms. Converting the decimal number into decimal number of decimal expansion of a rational number into P by Q form. P by Q form. Let us see. By taking a simple example. Example 1. Now I'm taking 0.45. First example. Is there any bar? No bar. I am not taking bar. 0.45. The question is convert 0.45 into P by Q form. Into P by Q form. How to write? Already you know this method. How to do this? Here instead of bar, this 0.45 no? First you write the overall number. 0.45 is nothing but 45 by, instead of dot, point, keep 1. How many places after the decimal point? 1, 2. Keep 2 zeros. That's it. This answer is 4500. Already you know this in 6th class. 0.45 into P by Q form. There is no bar. We are doing this for numbers without bars or without repetitions, non-terminating, repeating decimals. That is a different approach. This is, there is no such type of thing. There is no bar, there is no repetition. 45 by 100. One more question. Example 2. Example 2. 0.8936. Then what is the answer? 8936 by, instead of point, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, this is the answer. Afterwards, this is not 45 by 100. Is it a simplified form? In rational numbers we discussed the P and the Q should be LCM. The HCF of both the P and Q is 1. That means you need to convert into simplified form. This is also rational number, but this is equivalent. Equivalent rational numbers. These are all equivalent fractions, like no equivalent fraction number. What we need to do, you need to simplify this answer. 5 table cancel, right? 5 table cancel. Convert into simplified answer. 9 5s by 20. 25. 9 by 20. This is the simplest form. And after writing this, you need to simplify. This also you need to simplify. Okay? Then we'll go to some examples with bars. This is very important method. You please learn. I'm giving a question. Converting P by Q forms. Converting P by Q rational number into P by Q form. We learn now. Okay, students. Now I'm taking one more question. Convert 0.6 bar into P by Q form. Before I said this model is very, very important. We have so many questions in this model, in textbook, in examples. Okay, 0.6 bar into P by Q form. Now, it is having a simple approach, simple procedure. You should follow that procedure. First one, solution. The given number, what is the given number? 0.6 bar. What does it mean? 0.6 is repeating. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and so on. Then what part is repeating? 6 is repeating. What is period and what is periodicity? Now first I am taking, let the given number is x. Everyone should follow this procedure for all the problems. Take the given number is x. X is equal to 0.6666, no? Right, without bars. 0.6663 enough. 3 or 4, your wish, enough, and so on. This is x. In this expansion, after writing by taking x, you should write period and periodicity, both you need to write. Period. What is period? What is period? Period is equal to 6 is only repeating 6, and periodicity the periodicity before I explain how many digits are repeating. 1. The number of digits in the period, that is 1, only 1. Period and periodicity. Once again I repeat, what is the first step? Taking x without bar. Second one, period and periodicity. Afterwards, we should multiply with a constant. What type of constant it is? That constant value based on periodicity. If periodicity 1, we should multiply with the 10. I repeat, if periodicity 1, and 1 after 1 0, 10. If periodicity 2, 1 after 2 zeros, and multiply with 100. If periodicity is 3, we should multiply with 1 after 3 zeros, and 1000. If periodicity is 4, 1 after 4 zeros, 10,000, we should multiply with that. Here, what is the periodicity? 1, then 1 after 1 0, and 10. Then we should multiply this x value with 10 on the both sides. Can you? What is the periodicity? And this multiplication, that constant value is based on periodicity. This is the uniform, this is the method for all the problems. For what type of problems the numbers are having bars, what type of problems it is, we can approach this the method. Periodicity 1, multiply with 10, 100, 2, multiply with 100, 3, 1000, 4, 10,000, like that. Now here periodicity is 1, we should multiply this x value by 10 on both sides. This side I multiply with 10. 10 into x, 10x is equal to, this side also should multiply. 10 into 0.6. Already you know 2.34 into 10. Then multiplication by 10. You know this concept. This decimal place will go to this side. Then 23.4. You know this. Like this. Now this decimal place will jump to this place. Then 6.66 and so on. Okay. How you get this? Multiply x by 10. Multiply, it's better, I'm taking 1. This is 1 by 10. Multiply first one by 10. Okay. 10x is equal to 6.6666 and so on. That's it. Now, what is that? Once again I repeat, first taking x, writing periodicity, afterwards multiplication constant, multiply. Then write one more time that x value down of this for subtraction. Yes, subtract, this is I am taking 2 and 1. Okay, 1 from 2, subtraction, do subtraction. 1 from 2, okay, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. This is the procedure for all the problems. 2 minus 1. What is the 2? 10x is equal to 6.66 and so on. What is 1? X is equal to 0.66 and so on. Subtract. 10x minus 1x, 9x is equal to 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 0.6 minus 0 is 6. So what answer we get? 9x is equal to 6. 6 point something means 6. 9x is equal to 6. 9x is equal to 6, then x is equal to 6 by 9. 6 by 9 is equivalent rational number. Let us go for simplification. Is there any chance for simplifying? Cancellation. 3 table cancel now. 2 3s, 3 3s. Then answer is 2 by 3. Then what is answer for the given question? Our question is like this, 0.6 bar. Our answer is in the P by Q form, 2 by 3. This is the procedure. For every problem like this. For every problem. Sometimes here you please observe 6.00. Sometimes we are getting digits. Here what we do? 6.23 and 6.23 by 9 there. then we should remove the decimal by multiplying 100 by multiplying with 10 by 10 like that. Then we remove the decimal. And in the final answer in P by Q form, there is no, don't write any decimals. If decimals are there, please change. You convert into normal. Okay, no, by multiplying with multiples of 10. Multiply and then remove that decimal. Okay, in case not for this problem, some problem. Let us see one more problem in this method, in this model. Okay, then easily we can identify the answer. Okay, please. Now let us continue. I give one more question. Same procedure. Please copy these answers now. 0.6. I am giving one more question. Same procedure. 1.26. So question. Convert 1.26. Bar is there for 26 into P by Q. Same procedure. What is the first method? First step. Let x is equal to 1 point. Remove the bar and write. What is the repeated portion? 26. 26, 26 repeated periodically. 26, 26, 26 and so on. 226 enough. Okay. 26 is repeating, that's why 26, 26, 26. If you want to write one more set, write 26 only. Don't stop at 2. Don't stop at 2. Then this is afterwards identification of period. What is the period? Period is, what is period? Period is equal to 26. Periodicity is equal to number 2. Periodicity is 2. Then what number we should multiply? 1 after 2 zeros. Then 100. Multiply is 10 by 100. 10, 100. 100 into x. First equation by 100. 100 into x. 100x is equal to 100 into this one. In 100 how many zeros? 2 zeros. Then this point will jump to these two places. 126.26 remaining as it is. And so on. This is second. What we do? Once you recall previous problem, what we do? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Second one. 100x is equal to 126.26 and so on. X is equal to, first one, point after point I am writing, 1.26. 1 here, 26 here and so on. You know, here one more 26, no need. Here and so on. Then subtract. 100x minus 1x. Fraction. 100x minus 1x. 99x is equal to 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 0, 126 minus 1 125. Then x is equal to 125 12 99. Is there any chance to simplify? You simplify or else this is the final answer. 125 by 99. 125 by 99. In case here we are having some digits like this, by after subtraction what we do? I am giving like this. For example, x is equal to 101, 10.1 by 99. If you get like this, then is it? Some students are living like this. Don't leave like this. Here again point is there. Please remove that point. How many places? Point after one place there. That's why into 10 you do. Then 101 by 990 you get. But for that there is no such type of situation. Then no need to do this. Sometimes after subtraction we are getting some digits after decimal places. Then to remove that decimal you multiply with the multiples of 10. Then answer is 125 by 99. This is the answer in the form of P by Q. Please pause the video and copy this. This method is very important. This method is very important. Sometimes we are having hard questions also. They are giving question like this. 1.26 bar plus 0.26. Convert into P by Q form. Convert into P by Q form. What we do? Nothing, Nana. Here one question is there. This is second question is there. He is asking to add. Okay, first you write in the P by Q form. This also P by Q form. After both the P by Q forms, add. If it is needed, simplification by taking LCM or something, already you know, you do like that. Then that is the final answer. Okay, this is 4 marks question, many times given this model. Two decimal expansions, two rational numbers given like this, we need to convert into p by q form, this also p by q form, and then finally add. It's a very important model. If you want to practice, these model questions are there in exercise 1.3, that is question number 3. Okay, please, thank you.